RC Workshop. So today we've got a big one for you guys. Two brand new TRAXXAS MAXX trucks to unbox. One orange, one red. Big shout out to these guys at makeitbuilding.co.uk. These guys made it happen, brought it to me on the day it comes out. As well as that, guys, I've got a code for you. 5% off any purchase. These guys are already dirt cheap across the whole range. 5% code off anything. It's RC Workshop 5. The link will be down in the description below. So let's get to it. Let's unbox one of these puppies and show you what we got. Guys, so there you go. It is officially out the box. Let's take that cellophane wrap off and have a closer look. There's the unboxing done again, guys. Let's get to it. So look around this puppy. We'll start with the outside, work our way in. See you in a sec on the table. And then, so straight out the box, 2.4 TRAXXAS TQI radio. These radios are bomb-proof, to be fair. I have literally dropped one of these in a lake, pulled it straight out, no problem at all. You've got your TRAXXAS stability management as well on there, which you can alter, which alters the way the steering. So if you want to shoot out of a whole shot and go in a straight line, you're going to need some of that on. Steering trim, your neutral range, and then your top menus as well. This is actually always a decent menu. As well as that, you've got self-righting. I think if you press set twice, the car, if it's upside down, will actually turn itself over, so you ain't got to go running across the field to do it. Let's have a look at the car then. So decent little radio. You use your manuals, tyre wrenches, wheel wrenches, Allen keys and everything else. And all your instructions in there if you're new to it and you want to read through. Oh, look at the car. Look at the colours. Absolutely beautiful. The body shell is absolutely incredible. It's got a few things as well that really beef up the body shell. Over the Max truck as well, we've got these grommets that go around them hexes there, so the body shell doesn't pull straight through. That's a nice little feature straight away. We've got a nice roof bar that sits with the rest of the truck. This is going to take an absolute hammering, guys. Take that on a car park and flip it over at 50 mile an hour. It ain't going to stop for a while. Really nice little touch. The rails as well that keep the body shell in at the bottom. So if you take a heavy hit on a landing, these rails keep your body shell in and keep it all sturdy. As well as that, it's all fixed without the body pins. I'll show you that in a sec. What we got around the back. So you got like this little spoiler. It isn't really a spoiler, but it does actually fit round as one. And that, again, is going to take a majority of the beating, scratches and things like that on car parks as well. The shell fits really nice, guys, and the colour code is actually real smart. I like it a lot. So to take the shell off, you've got the quick release. So turn it to the right, pull up the quick release, takes the body shell off. It's a little bit tight at the front for now. There's underneath and the way all that works. Let's take a look at the car. And start with these wheels and tyres. Nice black wheel, 17mm hex, guys. So you got a lot of tyre and wheel choice that can go on this truck. Tread pattern seems to look a little bit like its bigger brother on the X-Max. We've got nice big bore long stroke shocks. These are really plush. That's really nice, guys. I like that a lot. Also, the shock bottoms are bolted on as well. That's going to be a plus, not losing them on the trails. Again, you've got your rails on the side there. Wheelie bar on the... These don't look to be adjustable, but they look to have put it in the right place. And it's nice and flexible. Drive shafts. These look like the good old 1/8 scale drive shafts off the Summit, off the TRAXXAS latest E-Max, E-Revo. They seem to look like they're going to hold up quite well, but TRAXXAS are well known for the old needing to upgrade on the drive shafts pretty soon. Again, nice shocks on the back. Let's work our way in. Actually, no, let's work our way from the bottom. Same as the TRAXXAS X-Max on the bottom. Front skid plate, middle skid plate, back skid plate. What I do like about this truck is you've got the arms the same on the front as they are on the back. So literally, if I got these arms, took them off, I'd be able to put them on the front and vice versa. So you're only going to have to buy one pack of spares before you hit the trails. Let's have a look inside. Right, so then on top of the chassis, we've got lots of chassis supports going on all the way across, all the way through. Guys, weight ratio to the way they built the main X-Maxx, the big X-Maxx, this one is going to really outperform it, I think, on durability. It just feels solid all the way through. Nice battery compartment there. Just clip it open. Oh, it's already open. Clip it shut. Clip it open. Drop your batteries in. Clip it shut. Right, going on to electrics then. We have got a big, heavy-duty speed control there. What I do like about this speed control is it's actually fused. So if you do blow it up for some whatever reason, you can actually check the fuse and you probably save your MOSFETs on there. We've got a big, heavy-duty servo. That servo is absolutely huge for a 1/10 model. Also, guys, waterproof, waterproof, waterproof. This thing straight on the water with some paddles on. I'm sure it's going to go straight from one end to the other. Nice big 540 size brushless motor as well. 5mm shaft all the way through that. Big and torquey again. Heavy duty drivetrain all the way through. The gearing looks to be fantastic on this, so I ain't going to open it up just yet until I need to do some maintenance on it, so you'll see that soon enough. Let's unbox the second one. Guys, check out that red and grey. What a colour combo. Really, really nice. Let's check them out side by side. What? What's your favourite colour? Drop it in the comments below. Side by side colour combos then, guys. So let's go to the red one first. Red inners, red shocks, red throughout the shell with the grey and the black. Real nice colour combo, guys. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Straight onto the orange. So we got blue centres, orange shocks, orange shell, blue with the black. Wow, we got two. Let's take these bad boys out, get them on the trails. Right then, guys, so there you have it. Unboxed two TRAXXAS MAXX trucks. Big thanks again to Make It Build It. Jump online, have a look what they've got. Really good pricing, and don't forget your 5% discount code RC Workshop 5. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya!